Hey, manager.
Hi.
How are you?
Alex, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Okay, so I guess I just wanted to talk a little bit about how we worked together about the project for the bridge. So I guess the first question is, when did we start working together?
1 year and 2 months, 2 or 3 months.
So what do you want to talk a little bit about the project for anybody that's watching? What is it? Can you tell them about the bridge? Like, how big is the bridge and how much traffic is there?
Okay. Let me tell you something about the bridge. This bridge is about 5.1 kilometer length. This is the till now. This is the largest bridge in Bangladesh. But another one is going on. That is the Podda bridge. Okay. Now about for both sides there is a minimum 4,000 vehicle traffic passing
4,000 per
each
day?
day. Minimum.
So
Yeah.
it's pretty high traffic flow. And how many lanes is it there?
There is currently there is 6 lanes in each side, so 12 at the both side. Total there is 7 plus 7 is 14 lanes, but 12 lane is working, and another two is going to be working after 2 months.
Did you think about using anything other than computer vision, or was computer vision your first choice?
Make me clear about the question.
Did you think about using any other methods for counting traffic other than computer vision, like maybe
Okay. This bridge, the age of this bridge is about 25 years. Okay, so when the Hyundai, the Korean company, has made that bridge, and at the making of the bridge, they have also installed a loop counter, physical loop counter with the physical loop in the road. Okay, but though they failed to get the accuracy more than 65%. And after that, after 10 years, that when the maintenance contract has changed and it goes from one to another, they have also tried to implement it with the physical loop. Okay, but it's not working more than 70%.
got it. I had no idea they were so bad. I thought loop counters were much more accurate.
No. It's not. It's accurate for running traffic, right? Uh, two lane or 3 lane. But when you are going to uh, count or analyze traffic in a toll booth like this, 6 lanes or higher, you have to use multiple vehicle counting system.
Okay.
Understand? With the combination. That's what we are trying to do, and we have got success. You know that we are getting 95% plus accuracy.
Yeah, we're getting there finally. So actually, on that subject, what were some of your main concerns for the project? Like, were you mainly concerned about accuracy, cost, or quick delivery? What was your biggest concern for the project?
So the costing is not the factor, but the factor is the accuracy. They have established tolerance level 5%. So so they got the decision that yes, the system is running well and the people are working well when it is 5%, and when it goes up to 10 or 11%, then they can assume that there is something wrong going on, then they are going to do the audit work. Okay, so always they are, right now they are always doing the audit whether there is something wrong or not, but they get relieved by this our project that when it goes more or less than 5%, well, when it goes more, they didn't bother. But when it gets less than 5%, like 8%, 9%, then they go to the audit work to manually compare.
What were some of the problems we had on the project? Like, we solved a lot of issues, right? You changed the camera position, you added lights. Can you talk about some of the problems we had at first before we fixed it?
Okay. We have got several types of problems when we got started, right? You know better that first we got the main problem is our uh, and vehicle size. Okay, there are lots of vehicle size. That is the main problem. And after that, still we have to do some modification or add some more footage about some special types of oil tanker or a long vehicle, not completely the long vehicle, but only the chassis. Okay, that is not still added. Still, we have to add some one or two footage per month, I think, is our work. Okay, so the vehicle size and the vehicle environment is the main problem, I think, here. And the second thing is about the weather environment. I can tell that your software, your video analysis software, that the portion has working so well that in this huge fog, in our winter time last month, in the huge fog is working a bit like 98%, 99%.
Oh, perfect.
I want to give the full credit to you, to your programming. Okay.
Good to hear.
And the third problem, that is the camera position. Yes, of course, the camera position is a vital thing that I didn't get earlier, but just 2 or 3 months ago, I came to the position that the position is the vital thing.
It's critical. It's the most important. Yeah.
So it's a vital position to make the camera position, camera alignment. Okay. And that is another thing is the bugs.
The spiders, right? The spiders on the camera.
Quite uncertain problem here, and there is no way to eliminate this problem.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah, it's a hard thing to figure out how to fix that.
You cannot make any spray to the camera.
Yeah.
And it will last only 2 or 3 days. Or you cannot put a box here or put net here. If you put net here, there will be a problem while coming.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So it depends on the nature. Nothing to do here.
Yeah.
I don't get any solution for that.
What about the bird? The bird that landed on the camera.
Oh, yeah. This is a place near a big river, and the environment is too clear, and there is no high-rise buildings besides here. So sometimes the huge birds, which or the birds which live near the river, big birds, they wish they can take rest in a high place.
It's the best point for them to land.
Okay. Yeah. So as there is no trees or large buildings near the river, so they feel it's safe. So they can take a rest for a while and make some camera dispositions.
I never expected that.
But you have to encounter that is the problem, which has no solution.
Yeah. Sometimes things just happen. So do you think we solved most of the problems, or do you think we still have a lot of problems left to solve?
I don't think so that there is typically more problems are coming, but it can come.
Right.
1 or 2 problems. As it is a new technology, so it will take some time to make it fulfill.
Got it. Okay, well, I think that helps a lot. Is there anything else you wanted to add, or any other questions you had?
Oh, no, I don't. I don't want to add any other question with you, but I feel that once this technology has implemented in the government position of Bangladesh, so I think it has got its license to implement on other establishments of Bangladesh government. As I will try, and you will see what we can do for the next big projects like Podda Bridge or the Elevated Expressway, which has 154 entry point with 4 lanes. There is a door open for us for your software. I think a little bit you have to take in your mind to add with the software is the license plate recognition.
Oh, yes, I've thought about that.
At the last 3 or 4 meetings, they have discussed among themselves I've got the message from that that next time they are going to use the license plate recognition to make the total road traffic in digitally mapped
Got it.
when the specific vehicle is
Got it.
where. So I think you have to take it in your mind to add these options about the license plate recognition.
Got it.
Okay?
Very helpful. Thank you.
Okay. And one more thing that the several problems we have faced in our project here in Bangladesh, and we have solved successfully all the problems. So I don't think that any new other types of problems can happen.
Okay, well, thank you very much. I'll let you go here.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye.